Hello guys, 2020 here, and if you live in the tri-state area, or anywhere near the East Coast, you now know that there is a blizzard. Okay, what that crack was, as you can see, I've set up several pencils, 5 to be exact, secured by a shitload of duct tape, goes through the window. When this window closes, it will secure this part right here. So if this part feels like giving loose, it will still be hanging by this part. Now, in a couple, whenever it stops by like the end of Saturday, we will see how much snow actually hit this pencil. Now, right now, this is dangerous, but no snow yet. It's not straight either, so hold on, guys. Okay. There you go. Hold on, guys. Moving it to the other side so I can easily get the tape without having to go over the phone. Well, iPod. Whatever you want to call what I'm videotaping on, even though it is an iPod. I just said iPod twice. I'm probably going to be sued now for my Apple. You used our device to get views on YouTube. We should have got those views.